Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel where we're just cruising, looking for some trouble. No trouble. Today we're going to be starting off in 97401 on Coburg Road, which is, kind of a main thoroughfare through Eugene. It's Beltline, Coburg, Expressway. That's about the three that you really got to deal with. And then I-5, obviously, but that's the divide between Eugene and Springfield. We're going to head up past Costco, and then we're going to go into 97408, which is the upper echelon. Not quite the South Hills, but there are some really nice houses. We're going to find some good fall color, and it's wet. We got the wipers on. That's kind of why I had the coffee there. Get your hot chocolate, coffee, whatever you so choose. Enjoy the ride, and I'll catch you guys on the next video, I suppose. Thanks again.